So hi guys, I want to talk about how to use indoor maps feature provided by Google Maps. So now let's open the Google Maps here, click into a new tab. Alright, so we should search Mall of America here right now. Mall of America. And once you are here, you should able to see the first thing is the layer of some specific floor, and you should check which floor you are right now, and you can see we are right now at the first floor and it's at the very bottom and right, and you can choose to switch to second floor, third floor and fourth floor. So this is like the 2D map from top to bottom view, and there is also some basic geometry of each room and building, but it's kind of abstract. So it may not necessary or may not be enough for you to navigate through one store to another store. So that's why we need the street view right now, and click the map or layer at the very left and bottom and click more and street view. Yes, let's switch back to the default. So right now you can see many light blue bubbles, small bubbles, which means that they provide the data on this specific position. If we click into one light blue bubbles, like this one, maybe. Yeah, maybe next one. Maybe here. Also, in this case, you can clearly see there is some crossroads, there is some cross, and there is a visual arrow, and you can easily click on there and you will switch to that point. The next one, you can rotate. And step back. So this is basically how the indoor maps work in Google Maps. The good thing is that you can see a photorealistic of 3D view, but the bad thing is there are not enough data to support you to move to every one of the spots you want. You can only go to the spots they provide the data. Okay, so now let's switch back to Keller Hall. So as you can see right now, there are only 3 data points of Keller Hall. And you can also look down around to see what kind of device it collects the data. So it seems that in this case there is a robot car, which I guess will be equipped with a 3D angle camera, just like Insta's 360. And one pitfall I found in the interaction method here is that you cannot easily revert the operation or step back. So you can only click in this word in miniature. And this blue point seems like not in the same place of the last one. So maybe we are in another floor. It's kind of abstract and hard to understand at the very beginning. Okay, the last one, it's in the hall, in the third floor of the Keller Hall. And again, it's collected by this robot car. If you move around there, your cursor will not show up the assistive visual arrow or the cross, then it may signifies that you cannot go there further. So this is basically how the Google Indoor Maps works. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention is that I found that the MSP, they actually provide some kind of 2D and 3D map. And you can clearly see they provide different layers for different levels. And if we step back, You can also clearly see some representation between 2D map and 3D map. And you can also think about and reflect upon their instruction on the left panel. It provides step-to-step instruction here. Maybe this is also one kind of design for indoor navigation.